have to share something with you that I thought is so dang funny. As somebody who has a dog rescue, we got the Love Pup Foundation. We have dogs at my house. I have like 6 or 7 of my own dogs. And then we have all these extra dogs at my house. And we have dogs in foster care. We open up our own building in a couple of weeks. We're opening up our new building. But this is so funny. So I have this friend of mine, and Kyle's friends too. Jamie is her name. She does does our skin. She does our Botox and facials, and she does our stuff. And I got this thing yesterday where she like lasered my face off and all kinds of stuff yesterday. Her boyfriend or fiance is, I've known him for years, and he has like, his business or whatever he does is really skyrocketed. He is like a yoga teacher, but also has become a life coach. And he's become a life coach for these athletes that have become like Super Bowl champions. Like he is, I don't know all their names, but they're very famous. My kids know all their names. Like one of the athletes is like a top football fantasy draft, this guy, and this other guy's, all these interviews after they won the Super Bowl, that he's with the Chiefs, and he flies to this guy's house once a week with the Chiefs and does yoga, and most of the time he does all these Zooms with all these famous people, and he coaches them through life, and he does a lot of yoga. Now he's doing less and less yoga, right? But he does it on the Zoom. Well, Jamie, his fiance, our friend, is addicted to French bulldogs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Frenchies.
They're so cute.
So she now has 3 French bulldogs. Did you see the new one she got?
No.
She just adopted a new French bulldog, and he's like 9 weeks old, and he's
So
one of those
cute.
blue ones. He's the short blue. If you go on the website at johnjanerich.com, you can see a picture of the new French bulldog. But let me tell you what happened with Donnie. He's serious. He's a business guy.
He's like the epitome of Zen
Yes.
and focus.
Like I throw jokes his way, and sometimes they don't go anywhere. Just but he's he tries to meditate sometimes, and their first 2 French bulldogs are really well behaved. This new one is only 9 weeks old and barks a lot. So she told me the story yesterday, and I begged her for the video. Begged her. And she was like, I don't know if Donnie's going to let me give you the video. I got the video. And the video's on our website, but this is the video. He's in his house, and he's doing a Zoom yoga class with all these pros. And he's trying to be a pro himself. The dog, the puppy, is in a crate on the other side of the house and is barking and won't stop barking during this professional yoga class. So listen to what happened.
Breathe steady. 1 minute.
So he gets out. She calls, how's the dog today? He goes, I don't want to talk to you today. He's like, I don't want to talk to you today. Isn't that hilarious? So they're engaged to be married, and he did refuse to talk to her the rest of the day because she wouldn't adopt this puppy. He's like, we have 2 already.